Hello friends, now I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra titanium silver blue color. Doing so, I'll also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The model sports a dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is available in 3 RAM and storage configuration 12GB to 56GB, 16GB plus 512GB and 16GB plus 1TB. It comes with support for 45W wired charging as well as 25W wireless charging. As far as cameras are concerned, rear camera setup comprising a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera and an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. It features a 5000 mAh battery. So friends, that's all about this brilliant smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.